Find the domain and range of f of x equal to minus modulus of x. Okay, find the domain and range of f of x equal to minus modulus of x. Let y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x. Okay, y equal to f of x. Here the value of f of x is, so y equal to the value of f of x is minus modulus of x. Okay, so y is equal to minus modulus of x. Here x is the input. Okay, so which means domain. X is the input and y is the output. Okay, here this x is input. Based on the input we will get output. Okay, input can have any number, but the output will be based upon the input number. So input is otherwise called as domain and output is the range. So x is the input, which means x is the domain, y is the output, which means y is the range. Okay, so we got to find the domain and the range. So x can have any value in the region minus infinity to plus infinity, which means x can be any number, negative or positive or 0. Okay, so then this negative, positive or 0 is represented by minus infinity comma plus infinity. So x can have any value, either positive or negative or 0. Okay, so the domain is minus infinity comma plus infinity. So the standard representation for this negative, positive and 0 is minus infinity comma plus infinity. So x can have any value in the interval minus infinity comma plus infinity. So the domain is set of real numbers. Okay, so minus infinity comma plus infinity is represented by capital R. So domain, that is domain is x, which is also input. So x belongs to capital R. Okay, so domain for the given function is x belongs to capital R. Okay, so domain is nothing but the values for which x can take. Okay, next draw a number line. Okay, so this is minus infinity, plus infinity, 0. From 0 to infinity we have positive numbers, and minus infinity to 0 we have negative. Okay, assume x is negative. Suppose x equal to minus 2 means x equal to negative. Suppose x can take a negative means x is equal to minus 2 or any other number. So the given function y is equal to minus modulus of x. Here we have assumed that x equal to minus 2. So minus modulus of minus 2. So that is equal to minus modulus of negative, modulus of minus a equal to plus a. Okay, so modulus of minus 2 is 2. So y is equal to minus 2. For x equal to minus 2 we have y is equal to minus 2. Okay, similarly say x equal to 0. Say x equal to 0. So y is equal to minus modulus of x minus modulus of the value of x is 0. So minus modulus of 0 is 0, which is equal to 0. Okay, so for x equal to 0 we have y equal to 0. Assume any positive number. Okay, already we have assumed negative number 0. Now we are going to assume x equal to positive. So say x equal to 2 as positive number. So y is equal to minus modulus of x. So that is equal to minus modulus of x is 2. Okay, the value of x is 2 minus modulus of 2 equal to 2. Modulus of minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, so modulus of 2 is equal to 2. Also modulus of minus 2 is equal to 2. So modulus of 2 equal to 2. Now for x equal to 2 we have range y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so from this we can conclude that when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x equal to negative, when x equal to negative, that is uh, x equal to negative, in this problem we have assumed x, for negative x equal to minus 2, we got y equal to minus 2. So x equal to negative means y is also negative. For this problem x equal to negative, y is equal to negative. When x equal to positive, x equal to positive, y becomes negative. Okay, in this problem when x equal to positive, x equal to 2, that is positive, we got y equal to minus 2, which is negative. Okay, so x equal to negative, we got y equal to positive. So the range is here, the range is negative, 0, negative, negative. Okay, so the corresponding range is 0 comma minus infinity, open bracket, 0 closed bracket. Since x equal to 0, we have y equal to 0, so closed bracket, minus, when x equal to negative, we have negative, when x equal to positive, we have range as negative. Okay, so the corresponding range is minus infinity comma 0. Okay.